Hey guys and welcome to Nerdcast where we nerd out about various topics. Today we are going to discuss video games. So since we are discussing video games, let us start with the ancient one from the ancient guy in our group, Akash.
So the gaming for me started was when the Dangerous Dave game came in. This was
Mm,
back in what 1998 or something, where even Pac-Man was the best graphic game that you could have played, and
yeah.
it was such an amazing game that I spent about 2 years playing the same game over and over. That's it. That was the best game for me at the start. But of course,
Mm,
we started with some graphic intensive game called as Prince of Persia 1, which were
yeah.
2D graphics again.
Mm,
And then the segue came to Road Rash, which we all know, I guess. And
yeah. We all know
one of
that.
the best and most played game in India must be Road Rash. So
Do
I
you remember
guess,
Wolfenstein?
yeah, the 2D
Yeah.
multi-shooter game.
Multi-shooter game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It came later on. It was a really
Mm,
good game.
yeah.
I mean, that actually started the first person shooting game
Yeah.
where it went.
That and Virtua Cop.
Virtual Cop
Please.
was later on, 2003-4 में था वो.
Yeah.
या बट यार वो हमारा बचपन था ना तेरा बचपन
हाँ,
वो
नहीं
तेरा
उससे पहले आया था डूम.
हाँ
Yes.
डूम
डूम
वाज अ
1.
थिंग या
Yeah, and which was an amazing game again. वही ये concept,
Hmm.
first person shooting 2D
Yeah.
game, and that
Yeah.
was great. तुम लोग के क्या थे बचपन के गेम क्या थे बचपन के मतलब.
मेरा एक्चुअली जब मेरे को जितना याद है सबसे पहले लाइक प्रिंस ऑफ पर्शिया वगैरह के बाद बिकॉज दो आर 2D गेम जो रैंडमली खेले हो
हाँ.
लाइक अ गेम दैट आई स्पेंट मोस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ माय टाइम बिल्कुल बचपन में वाज नीड फॉर स्पीड सेकंड स्पेशल एडिशन
NFS 2.
लाइक NFS2 and like that was the first time that I started like got into racing games and अभी तक इसीलिए like my favorite games are still racing games
उसका
compared to
पासवर्ड याद है क्या लेकिन तुझे. देर वॉज दिस वन
पासवर्ड याद नहीं
कार.
बट या हॉलीवुड एक तो हॉलीवुड
नहीं नहीं नहीं, देर वॉज दिस वन कार विच वॉज द फास्टेस्ट कार इन NFS 2.
या और एक हॉलीवुड भी था जिसमें देयर वाज अ डिफरेंट मैप आल्सो
मैप, यस.
वो हॉलीवुड या आई डोंट रिमेंबर देम बट
इट द पासवर्ड इज कॉल्ड FZR 2000 which is
या
the actual car.
कार या बट
और
या
उसका सबसे वहां पे मैंने पहली बार देखा था कि पैचेस क्या होते हैं. तो वहां पे यू कैन ऐड एन नंबर ऑफ पैचेस. तो
या
मैंने डस्टबिन का पैच निकाला था. सो जब मैं कार चलाता था कार वॉज अ डस्टबिन.
अच्छा
सो कार में डायनासोर आता था.
हाँ
सो वट
हाँ
एवर यू कैन तो पैच ऐड करते जाते थे. यू
या
कुड बाय दैट पैचेस एंड वो इम्प्लीमेंट करके ये सब आता था टाइम पास के
मुझे
लिए.
तो मतलब उसने मेरे को ज्योग्राफी भी दिखा दी थी बिकॉज दैट व्हेन आई केम टू नो कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया में आउटबैक होता है एंड देन यू नो इवन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द मैन्युफैक्चर लाइक लोटस एंड ऑल वो सब लोटस एलीट थी इफ यू रिमेंबर दैट वाज द लोटस
मीन्स
एलीट
या.
एंड या तो वहीं से यू नो एजुकेशन भी हो गया
भाई तेरा क्या था.
व्हाट अबाउट यू कनेक्ट या
मेरा पहला गेम वाज NFS2 जब मैं
हाँ,
4 साल का था. मैं
हम्म
किसी के तो भी दोस्त के घर गया था, अभी मुझे याद नहीं. तो उधर NFS2 था. मैं वो गेम 2 घंटा खेला वहाँ पे. दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट गेम एवर प्लेड ऑन अ कंप्यूटर. उसके बाद आई प्लेड रोड रैश ऑन समवन एल्सेस कंप्यूटर. मेरे मॉम की फ्रेंड थी, उनके घर पे था कंप्यूटर. तो आई वाज लाइक, इसमें कौन सा गेम है? लाइक एवरी अनोइंग किड,
या
इसमें कौन सा गेम है?
आई गेस NFS 2 ये सबके इट वाज सो पॉपुलर क्योंकि उसपे स्प्लिट स्क्रीन था.
या
या
तो एक
एग्जैक्टली या
पीसी पे 4 लोग खेल सकते हैं.
हम्म
विच वाज सरप्राइजिंग फॉर एनीवन कि
यार
ऐसे कैसे
एक ही
हो सकता
कीबोर्ड पे दो लोग खेलते थे यार
है. हाँ, एक ही
रिमेंबर लाइक
कीबोर्ड, यस.
WASD एंड एरो कीज
आरओबीज.
दैट वाज लाइक कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट लाइक इफ यू रिमेंबर उसके बाद यू नो मिड टाउन मैडनेस आया था
हाँ,
मैंने
मिड.
खेला है मिड डाउन मैडनेस, पर इतना
एंड
नहीं
लाइक
खेला.
नहीं इतना
मैंने
पूरा
तो बहुत
मतलब
खेला है लाइक
बहुत
आई
पहले नहीं
ट्राई
खेला.
राइट नाउ कि विंडोज 10 में सपोर्ट नहीं है बिकॉज आई डाउनलोडेड इट एंड ट्राइड टू इंस्टॉल इट obviously I had to pirate it first
हाँ,
but yeah there was no other like I tried and there was no way to play it in Windows 10 right now Midterm
हाँ,
Madness 2 है that is a
वन
playable
नहीं है.
but one नहीं है बट
नहीं
वन
बस
वाज द बेस्ट, लाइक शिकागो का मतलब शिकागो का मैप याद हो गया था यार, फील्ड टॉवर कहाँ पर है, लाइक एंड देन द होल मैप एंड एवरीथिंग.
I guess the only thing that I got from the maps is Napa Valley किधर है, if you know the reference of the joke. Anyways, so like
अरे रोड रैश.
रोड
या
रैश में नापा वैली बोल के एक मैप था.
या नापा
Yeah.
वैली, आई रिमेंबर.
या
या
सो whenever I used to play it, तो तभी याद आता था अरे यूएस में है ये नाम का जगह है.
हाँ हाँ.
So it feels
नहीं,
like
हमने ज्यादा ज्योग्राफी गेमिंग से सीखी है देन
I
स्कूल
guess
जाके.
yes. मतलब मुझे नहीं पता खरीफ क्रॉप कहाँ उगते हैं लेकिन नापा वैली किधर है पता है.
एग्जैक्टली.
I guess उसके बाद so best game and the intensive game I played was Age of Empires 2. My dad got a CD, the original CD,
या
from his company, and that was 2003-4 something ऐसे कुछ तो था. And तभी Age of Empires, तभी मैं इतना बड़ा नहीं था कि Age of Empires क्या है समझूं,
या
जो civilizations क्या है.
या
तो I was just about कि लोग बनाने and when you press delete तो वो मर जाते हैं.
तो
Yes, that
मेरे
was.
लिए भी सबसे बेस्ट, द थिंग दैट चेंज द होल सेंस ऑफ गेमिंग फॉर मी वाज लाइक 2003 में मेरे को मॉम एंड डैड ने बर्थडे गिफ्ट पे दे बॉट मी द माइक्रोसॉफ्ट फ्लाइट सिमुलेटर. लाइक दे गॉट मी सेट ऑफ लाइक 10 to 15 गेम्स फ्रॉम माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, लाइक दे वर ऑल लाइसेंस गेम. तो उसमें से एक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट फ्लाइट सिमुलेटर 1995 था. इन 2003 आई वाज प्लेइंग द 1995 गेम, बट दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई गॉट लाइक अ वे टू पायलट अ प्लेन. उस टाइम पे कीबोर्ड और माउस से किया था. And then I moved on. I got a joystick and everything, the whole airplane joystick and everything. And yeah, being deaf, I cannot be a pilot, but that was a way that till today I continue playing on flight simulator, just that just to keep that dream alive. Flying an aircraft. Yeah.
That was too अच्छा, that was way earlier. So I guess ऐसे पुराने games में से we had a show called Pokemon जो सबको पता है obviously.
Yeah.
So Pokemon का Visual Boy Advance एक आता था simulator, जो actual
तो
Visual Boy का
जो
simulator,
गेम बॉय का मतलब
Game Boy
Game
का
Boy Advance
simulator था, which was
simulator.
Visual Boy
Okay. Yeah.
Simulator. And वहाँ पे Pokemon के multiple versions निकले थे.
Hmm.
नो ग्राफिक्स एट ऑल, मतलब
Yeah.
लिटरली
Yeah.
नो ग्राफिक्स.
Hmm.
और उसमें से तुम लोग कुछ भी कर सकते हो. यू कैन, आई हैव प्लेड आवर्स एंड आवर्स ऑफ दैट गेम. मतलब वहां पे तुम लोग को तुम्हारा ही पोकेमॉन ट्रेन करना है
Yeah.
एंड यू कैच मोर पोकेमॉन्स, द बेस्ट पोकेमॉन मैचेस ये करना
I,
है.
I had no knowledge of that Pokemon series at all, like the red, blue,
द
green
रेड
one.
ब्लू ग्रीन, यस.
And it was Samay Raina who started streaming the Pokemon game series
ओह
on his
यस,
stream, and that's how I found out about the whole like Pokemon gaming
दे वर
thing. Like he
अमेजिंग.
installed an emulator and played that. Yeah.
एंड उसमें
What
तुम
about
लोग का खुद
you,
का कैरेक्टर
Ganesh?
था. या
What was your favorite game during your childhood?
See, I started playing games in 2006. One of my friends had GTA Vice City. I liked that game so much that I bought a computer just to play
Just
the
play.
game.
वैसे
कोई cheat code याद है?
So it started, yeah, मेरे पास print पड़ा है अभी भी.
मेरे
But
पास भी.
print पड़ा है उसका. See, लोग क्या करते थे, cheat engine यूज करते थे. But thing is कि game इतना अच्छा लगा मुझे कि like it's an open world. You can go wherever you want. You can kill anybody
हाँ,
you want.
the best thing was you can kill anyone, you can hit the
Kill
person
anyone.
from a street.
Yeah. So the game felt very good, and at that time, that was the first game that was introduced to me that was open world. So I can go wherever I want. I can do whatever I want. So
I guess that
simply,
was the first open world game, right? That was the first
no. GTA,
GTA Liberty City.
अच्छा
Liberty
हाँ, the old
City is
one.
the first
Yeah.
open world, I guess, or
Yeah.
I don't know.
तब
मैंने वो
जहाँ
भी
तक
खेला हुआ
हमारा
है.
नॉलेज है.
मैंने वो भी खेला है, but started from there and it just got better and better and better and better. And the
But
game evolved so much over time that was like insane.
Gaming evolved so fast in such a little time.
Yeah.
I remember
exactly.
playing NFS 2 and suddenly I got to know अच्छा Hot Pursuit नाम का भी गेम आया है जो NFS का
The
ही
Hot
है.
Pursuit was really good. Yeah.
And leaps
The
ahead of
graphics
its,
were
yeah,
so,
exactly.
yeah.
NFS 2 में graphics नहीं थे ऐसा लग रहा था वो.
हाँ, exactly. The because they use reflections ना, वो reflection पता नहीं मतलब yeah. But
The
talking about open world game, तुम ये सोचो कि कहाँ अपने टाइम कहाँ वो ओपन वर्ल्ड लगता था वाइस सिटी में कुछ भी करना. एंड आज वी हैव द क्रू और the अमेरिकन ट्रक सिमुलेटर्स एंड ऑल. or the flight simulator that is upcoming, which is the
See,
open world in the form of
these are just
entire world.
wait. These are just car racing games you're talking about. Open world are Assassin's Creed, GTA 5, Witcher 3. These are all the open world
Far Cry
with
5.
yeah. Far Cry
Far
5
Cry
is
5.
open world, but it's just
It's
not.
still limited. Far Cry 5 is still limited. So you have open world as in बहुत बड़ा ये नहीं है.
नहीं,
It's
it's not
just
limited actually. वो open world है, but game इतना अच्छा नहीं है. It was okay game.
Talking about like banger game, which one, like which side are you on, like Battlefield versus Call of Duty?
Call of
Uh,
Duty.
I'm not on either of side because I played both of the series. First, Battlefield 3 and 4 were good games. Like
Did you
they
play
were
Bad Company?
no उससे स्टार्ट नहीं किया मैंने स्टार्ट 3 से किया था 3 एंड 4 वर लाइक इंसेनली गुड 3 एंड
Yeah.
4 का स्टोरी इतना सही था
Yeah.
बहुत सही था यस मॉडर्न वॉरफेयर हैड द गुड स्टोरी
Hmm.
1 2 3 उनका अच्छा स्टोरी था नो डाउट अबाउट दैट बट बैटलफील्ड 3 का इतना इंसेन स्टोरी था और वो इतना बड़ा था आई
Yeah.
लाइक बैटलफील्ड 3 सो मच लाइक क्या यार किसने ये गेम बनाया इतना सोच के बनाया इट वाज नॉट ओपन वर्ल्ड बट इट वाज इंसेन गेम
Insane.
and
Yeah.
guns graphics everything and at that point of time was like ऐसा graphics देखने को कहाँ मिलते हैं you know और 2012 वगैरह में एंड मॉडर्न वॉरफेयर में नैरेटिव की
2012
बात
2008-9 की बात है ना, 9-10?
मैंने 2012 में खेला है
अच्छा, ओके.
आया वो 2008 में है मैंने 2000
तभी
में
इतने स्पेक्स नहीं थे पीसी में कि नया गेम आते ही खेल सकते हैं.
या
या बट लेटर ऑन जब
हाँ
2014 वगैरह में जब अभी पायरेट करना स्टार्ट कर दिया था गेम्स तो
तब
व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग एवरीथिंग actually see you cannot compare between battlefield and call of duty first of all because both of them are very different games narrative different है दोनों का yeah they
Yeah.
have some same guns they have some might be similar missions but तुम दोनों उसमें compare कर रहे हो I just it just don't make any sense because battlefield 3 का narrative military पे था
Yeah.
a guy was in military who was trying to get a terrorist
या
बट वो उन्होंने एक ही गेम में फिनिश किया
Hmm.
and what modern warfare had is they're tracking let's not just give spoiler about it they're tracking some terrorists so they're going through one character to another character to another character
या
just like that
कंटिन्यूएशन नहीं था कैरेक्टर में.
हाँ कैरेक्टर कंटिन्यूएशन नहीं था बट कैरेक्टर्स के आर्क्स बहुत सही थे
हाँ ट्रू.
if you're gonna ask me कैप्टन प्राइस कार गोस्ट कार सोप कार उनके
Yeah.
आर्क्स बहुत सही थे और वो इमोशनली थोड़ा सा
कनेक्ट होता
सेंटी
है.
कर दिया
हाँ
हाँ बिकॉज some deaths in modern warfare were just so much heartbreaking
आई गेस सोप की वजह से यू जस्ट
yeah
गेट.
and few missions in modern warfare are like insanely good
या दे आर.
बहुत सही मिशन है मुझे याद है वो गिली सूट पहन के एक मिशन करते हैं वो खेला है किसी ने that was probably one of the best missions I have played in any game like बहुत सही मिशन था वो उसमें कभी कभी डिटेक्ट हो जाते थे बट अभी तब जाके एकदम ऐसे हार्डकोर गेमर नहीं थे तो तब कुछ पता नहीं चलता
दिस
था
वाज
बाद में
बैटलफील्ड ना.
नो
बैटलफील्ड
नो नो
मॉडर्न
No,
वॉरफेयर में.
मॉडर्न वॉरफेयर 2 का
Warfare.
मिशन है आई गेस वो
Yeah.
मॉडर्न वॉरफेयर 2
का वो
का मिशन
पानी के नीचे से वो जाना है उनके बेस में जाना है ऐसा कुछ था शायद.
नहीं 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 गिली शूट में रहते हैं
हाँ.
उनके फोर्सेस आते रहते हैं
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा.
वी आर क्रॉलिंग
Oh,
Is there any game like जिसकी storyline made you just, pause and just think about stuff, like any niche game that you think that, more people should have played in their time?
इन देयर टाइम ओके
Like जब जो game आई वो famous नहीं हुई या जा चुकी due to the
See, first
gameplay or
thing,
something, but the story was amazing.
everyone has a different perspective
yeah.
of playing the game. So जो अपने को अच्छा लगता है वो शायद किसी और को अच्छा ना लगे.
हाँ, ये बात भी है.
हाँ
Like मेरे
so
दिमाग में जो example आता है, that is I'm pretty sure both of you would have not played it or would have not even heard of it. So there was a game called Turning Point, Fall of Liberty. तो मैंने तो बस एक्चुअली बस पहले जब हम गेम्स लेते थे तो शॉप में, लाइक नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दोस्त यूज्ड टू बाय ऑनलाइन, बट शॉप में डीवीडी के पीछे द डिस्क्रिप्शन यूज्ड टू बी देयर. तो आई बॉट दैट कॉपी एंड दैट गेम इज अबाउट व्हाट इफ विंस्टन चर्चिल डाइड and the Nazis actually started occupying America and they attacked America from the New York, like West Coast, and you are like literally you are what you call a worker in New York, and then you see the army coming from that side, like the Air Force coming, and then you have to start defending yourself, and you have to just you are recruited as an army person and then you have to fight, for your liberty,
It
for
sounds
America's liberty.
interesting.
So it's a completely alternate historical movie. It's a historical, but there was a lot of glitches in the game. There were a lot of like inaccuracies when it comes to graphics. Like the quality wasn't good, but the storyline just made it so intensively like interesting that I continued playing it despite all the flaws in the game.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was like one of the best. Like in terms of storyline, it was one of my favorite, first-person shooter games.
The
Yeah.
best storyline game I have ever played to the date is, for me, it's Assassin's Creed Black Flag, because the narrative of the game was so good. The story felt like so smooth, because from the previous series I just got bored of it. And they ended Ezio's arc, so the series might die. Everyone was like, the series is dead now. They killed the story with the Desmond. But the thing is, Assassin's Creed 4 was one of the best game to the date I have ever played. The game has so much great narrative, dialogue delivery, everything. Everything was so great about that game. I still love playing that game. I just bought it right now. Like, I was tired of downloading it and all, so I just bought it and started playing it, and it
Yeah.
felt so good. Even if there was not better graphics, you can say there were
Yeah.
decent graphics.
But the
But
storyline made it, gripping.
yeah, and talking about storyline, one more game is Witcher 3, which has one of the best storyline, which is called the benchmark in this industry, gaming industry. Witcher 3 has the best story. For me, Assassin's Creed Black Flag and Witcher 3, they are just on one. I cannot choose between one of them,
I had a
but
question for you. I have a question for you, Karan. For those who are not, been introduced to the Assassin's Creed, franchise, because I have never played an Assassin's Creed game ever,
yeah.
and there might be other people. Can you just
Mm.
introduce like what exactly is the concept of Assassin's Creed? Like, is it historical or what exactly is it?
Okay, so all it starts from a guy whose name is Desmond. He's in this virtual computer called Animus. What
Yeah.
Animus does is it accesses your ancestors' memory from back then. But the thing with Assassin's Creed is it is historically accurate game. Some games, so some people might have died in the game. Those deaths are actually on the same day, same time.
But haven't like aren't there dragons and all in that game? Because I have seen some
No, there
some
are no
trailers.
dragons in Assassin's Creed. I
That's
think
called Skyrim.
yeah, that's the
Oh, okay.
Skyrim.
I get confused with the graphics for both of them. Okay, okay. Because they seem very similar in terms of,
Every game in
uh,
Assassin's Creed has like Animus, people accessing previous their ancestors' memory, but they right now shifted to a little different storytelling of outside the Animus.
I
what about you,
guess
Akash? What is like your favorite story-based game? Storyline.
nothing really comes to my mind specifically, but I guess I like the racing one had a great story, which was Most Wanted. Of course, it
Yeah.
was one of the most famous NFS, I guess, after
Yeah.
Yeah,
NFS 2.
I still think to this date NFS
Yeah,
Most Wanted is the best
the
game
best
of
the
the
best
franchise.
story actually that
Yeah,
you race for the boss. The
yeah,
other races don't have interesting storyline that
Yeah.
catches your eye, where you
Yeah.
can actually win cars by them.
Racing against for them. Yeah.
you
And
know
that
what I
was
most liked about NFS Most Wanted is the bounty thing,
the
Yeah.
where
The
bounty.
you
bounty.
can
Yes,
Yeah.
destroy police vehicles. I
Yeah.
like
yeah.
that so much.
And
It was the best mode in any
so,
racing game.
like I liked what you call Most Wanted, but I like Carbon much better because it was the same game, but in the night time with that aesthetic were like amazing. Like you just shut down all the lights of your room and just play it. It was a different experience completely.
See,
Like,
there are two type people. First, they care about graphics. Second, they
they
don't care.
they
But
care
the
I am
about the
the
storyline was
one.
game.
the same for both of them. Storyline
No,
was
no.
the
I
same.
am the
You race,
one who still thinks NFS Most Wanted is the king. Carbon
yeah,
is somewhere
Never.
near middle somewhere, because there were some good games and there were some bad games. Because see, my list of Need for Speed series goes from this: NFS Most
Most
Wanted,
wanted.
NFS 2, NFS Underground 2. Then
Oh,
it comes to
hot
Hot
pursuit.
Pursuit. Yeah,
yeah.
it goes on like that.
And I
My
guess
list is completely different. My list is Carbon, Proceed, and then
Yeah,
second and
because you're
Hotspot
the guy who always
looks
looks
for
for the
graphics.
graphics. Yeah,
graphics. Yeah,
And we look
and
for the story, and the story of
yeah,
NFL Most Wanted is the story of literally taken from the movie Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. where you have to defeat all the blacklist people
Yeah.
to fight with the last guy from the DK, the
Wait,
Drift King.
didn't Most Wanted come before Tokyo Drift?
No, 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 it
Yeah.
was the same story.
No,
That's what
Yeah,
I'm
not the
but
saying.
same
yeah,
story. I guess
Similar
it's
story. So you have to beat people in order to beat the
to get
last
the
guy, the
yeah,
Drift
yeah,
King. That story
okay.
was kind of similar. The girl who,
you can say it was same theme.
yeah,
Yeah,
same thing. The girl who is with the blacklist person comes to help you. It's
Hmm,
kind of
Uh,
similar in Most Wanted,
yeah.
and that that gave me a sense of a story, a great
See,
story.
from that game, I think all of us started looking for the games which have better stories.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
That might be the game changer of all.
Yeah,
Actually, the
and
thing is with graphics, like it's not the graphics that makes the game interesting. The thing is with graphics also comes the accuracy and physics, the realism of the game. So that's the reason that Pro Cheat is actually one of the top in my list of Need for Speed games because that has
Actually,
such good such good what you call physics when it comes to the drifting and everything. It was like not at all like Carbon or what you call what you call not undercover, Carbon or what you call
Most Wanted.
Most Wanted because it was mostly like it was track based. It was not open world. It was track based, and it was like much you have to like control the car in a. It was more of a simulation than a racing game. Like that was the introduction to simulation type racing games for me because that's when I moved to Gran Turismo, which is a console exclusive. So let's talk about that game later. But that was the that introduced me to that, and then today I play Forza Horizon just because I got introduced to that kind of a gameplay, and that's why that kind of car racing games have been my favorite till now.
No, graphics don't really matter every time. Let's say the
Yeah,
best example to give is CS.
yeah,
Counter-Strike
obvious.
started
Yeah,
with 1.6, which had not really good graphics, but the game was so amazing. But enjoyed the game simi and the same amount of excitement comes towards global offensive, which is
yeah,
Go.
yeah,
the thing with Global Offensive is there are not better graphics. There are just some view models that
yeah.
are just running through the map, shooting some guns. But the
Mm.
game is amazing. That's it.
Yeah, I mean you can't be. Yeah, it became an sport.
Yeah, it's the
Mm.
best esports. Like after Dota, Counter Strike comes.
Yeah,
And if you're talking about graphics, graphics are evolving so much right now. You need a good hardware for that.
yeah.
And if you are really playing computer games for graphics, so you need a good computer for that.
That is
Or
true.
else you cannot enjoy it if you are only playing it for graphics.
Yeah, that's what really worries me because the Microsoft Flight Simulator is coming, and I'm not really sure if I'm going to get like decent frame rate from playing that game.
See, if graphics are the only options gamers could have considered, then Fortnite couldn't have been that big thing. The
Exactly.
graphics of that game were so trash. Like I still to the date cannot play that game.
Yeah, that is
So
true.
not everyone can look for graphics. But while Indian people love PUBG is because it's realistic.
Yeah.
Hmm.
You get a helmet, you get a gun, and in Fortnite, if you're gonna see some guns and what do you call it, potions or something like that, they
Yeah.
look cartoonish.
But what actually what happens is that when the games are like made with lower graphics, what it done is that they are basically democratized. They are made for everyone in view rather than just a few elite ones who just
Yeah, true.
can go for the higher like
Yeah,
prices.
basically, multiplayer games are made like that, not story mode games, because
Yeah.
story mode games are getting heavy. And as Cyberpunk 2077 is coming,
Yeah.
so that game is going to cost you 150 GB of your hard drive.
Exactly. The same with like Microsoft Flight Simulator. I literally had to buy a new hard drive just so that I can have enough space for the game.
Yeah.
Because that game is actually like if someone wants to install the entire library of that game, that is going to be 2 petabytes, which nobody is going to have.
Yeah, true.
So most of the game is done through game streaming, which is like, well, as I told in an article earlier, that it is basically the future.
So talking about video games, which are your best franchises? Which is the best franchisee you have ever played in computer games?
In a overall series, as in first to the end,
हाँ, first to the end और वो चल रहा है अभी भी.
I guess COD was the one I played a lot. I played it way later, but COD was one of the games that took my eye because it was so realistic. So that's what I liked about it. But even the sports were good. Like I started playing NBA because I was a basketball player. So
Yeah,
I started playing NBA, and it has evolved so much that
yeah.
it's really amazing with that.
So when it comes to franchises, for me, I think there are only three franchises that I can remember. FIFA being like, yeah, the go-to. The other franchise is F1 Racing, and the third one is Colin McRae. Like the whole Colin McRae series, which moved to Colin like Dirt Racing. The whole that is by the Codemasters series. So it's like a single series but with different names. It started with Colin McRae Rally, then moved on to Dirt, and then now it's Dirt Rally. So that these three are my favorite. And also Flight Simulator, because yeah, from Flight Simulator 1995 to 2002, then 2004, then Flight Simulator 10 X. Then a Microsoft Flight came out, which flopped in 2012, and now the new one is going to come on August 18th.
Okay, so about my franchises, talking, I'm gonna name a lot of franchises, okay? Because there are so many great games and I played a lot of them. So first franchises that comes into my mind if I'm talking about the decency in games, stories, and everything. So it is Assassin's Creed. It's to the date is my favorite franchise because I own every game from Assassin's Creed franchise, and I have become a fan of it later in 2017 or something when I played Black Flag, started playing Unity, Syndicate. Every game felt better, but they had their cons. Some were like so great that you just cannot imagine playing those games.
Yeah,
The next series is Crisis. Crisis 1, Crisis 2, and Crisis 3. They are probably old gen best games with good story.
Yeah.
yeah, yeah,
And another series is Bioshock. I'd say I played it. It's a decent series. It's not as great as some series, but it's okay. Far Cry series is okay till Far Cry 4, but 5th and the New Dawn are just average games.
yeah,
Talking about the franchise, we just forgot one of the best franchises, that is Grand Theft Auto.
Ah, yes. The
yeah.
best
Yeah,
open world.
yeah.
Need for
Yeah,
Speed was
that is a
all.
franchise that I have played all of them. Like from
Yeah,
Liberty, from GTA Liberty series to GTA 3 to Vice City, San Andreas 4, and then 5. Right.
yeah.
Yeah,
And Watch Dogs is also a honorable mention, I'd say. They are
yeah,
going to the thing where they are going franchise mode, but I
yeah,
don't think they're gonna succeed in the new upcoming
Watch
game.
Dogs, the first game when released was really overhyped.
Yeah,
Watch Dogs.
It
It
was
was
overhyped
overhyped.
as well as it was not exactly optimized, because I remember that it literally curved my
not
laptop.
talking about
Yeah,
specific game optimization. I'm talking about story, and
The whole
Akash is
story.
story.
also
Yeah,
Yeah.
talking about story here. That
yeah,
the story was so like dull. At the end of the day, they just ruined the story in the last few hours of the story.
Yeah.
It
yeah,
was like, why the hell are we doing this for this guy? It's
yeah,
like, what the hell?
I just started with the second one. I don't think it's so
Yeah,
good.
actually, the second
yeah,
one was really worthy sequel, I'd say. Let's see
yeah,
now how it goes with Watchdog Legion.
yeah.
Let's see what
But it seems
happens.
interesting actually. The trailer seemed really interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, the trailer seemed interesting, but what they're doing is there are same gameplay elements
Yeah,
with just different characters involved in it.
yeah.
So
So it's
I
just like how Miles Morales is to Spider-Man.
Yeah.
nah, not actually Miles Morales.
Yeah.
It's different from Miles Morales actually
No,
because
I'm
they're
just saying that
introducing a
same
character.
gameplay. I'm saying same gameplay, different character. That's what I'm mentioning.
No, no, no. Same. What characters? What I'm talking about here is what I saw in Ubisoft Forward is
Yeah,
in Watch Dogs. They were introducing that you can play as a policeman, you can play as a hacker, you can
Yeah.
play as a gangster. So the
yeah,
thing is, in few missions you have to take the policeman. In few missions you have to take the hacker. In few missions you have to take the gangster. Some
yeah,
have their pros and some have their cons. And the hacking part of that game, which is the selling point of the game actually,
Yeah.
that is
yeah,
all the same. Nothing has changed yet, I can say,
yeah,
because the game hasn't launched yet. I'll
Yeah.
wait for it to launch and then give my opinion on it. So one more franchisee we forgot to mention is Tomb Raider,
Yeah.
which evolved so much from the first game to the current game, which is Shadow of the Tomb Raider.
Mm.
The game has great narrative, great gameplay.
I
It's not
just
bad. It's just got better and better and better over time.
I just started with Tomb Raider again. I just downloaded it about 10, 11 days ago. I might be completing it soon. It's really a good game.
Yeah,
I've only played Rise of the Tomb Raider,
Okay.
so yeah,
I
I've not
played
played
Tomb
that one.
Raider, Rise of the Tomb Raider, Shadow of the Tomb Raider is remaining. I'm gonna buy it, not pirate it.
Soon.
So
Yeah. As for the current games, what are the games that you are playing?
right now I'm just playing more multiplayer games. Right now I'm playing Call of Duty Warzone. It's a
Nice.
Okay.
great game, I think. See, I used to play Counter Strike a lot, and
Mm.
I just stopped because a lot of cheaters and everything is going on with the game. So I just
Mm.
needed a replacement, and I just found out that COD is just better game.
Yeah, in overall
Okay.
things, yeah.
That in
Mm.
overall point of view. I mean, 5v5, 10v10. It's a different here. It's a battle royale, so it's just different. But the satisfaction that game give you is amazing.
Okay.
And if you are talking about story mode games, I'm playing Assassin's Creed Odyssey right now.
Yeah. As
So
for me, what I'm playing is in when I'm trying to just chill out, I'm playing either Forza Horizon 4 or X-Plane 11 until the new Microsoft Flight Simulator comes. Apart from that, I'm also playing the Crew 2, which is like quite interesting. It's a different kind of a format when it comes to like you can just switch between a car, what you call an aircraft or a boat in an instant, and then continue racing across like and it had the whole United States, like a shortened version of the United States as a map. So it is also pretty interesting. How about you, Akash? What are you playing?
I'm especially focusing on multiplayer games basically right now.
Yeah.
I had stopped gaming for a couple of years and I started back last year and
Mm-hmm.
I'm on CSGO continuously. I'm streaming CSGO on YouTube a
Okay.
few times and also I'm
Link in the description.
yeah, link in the description. Yes, please subscribe.
Yeah.
And the second one I'm playing in the story mode is Far Cry 5. I just started it. It's not
Okay.
a good game. It's not a huge addictive game.
Mm.
I guess it gets a bit boring after a while. I completed the first area. It has three areas basically, and the fourth
Yeah.
is the main boss. So I completed the first area. The second day was going on, and I just didn't feel like playing it again. So I just
See,
stopped for a while.
why we hate some games is the things get repetitive over and over.
Yeah,
So
yes.
I
Yeah.
am
That is
playing
true.
Far Cry 3. So in
Mm.
Far Cry 3, there is the thing called Outpost, where a lot of bad guys are out there. So you have to clear that
Yeah.
outpost. Okay. So in Far Cry 4, same thing. In Far Cry 5, same thing. I don't know about New Dawn because I never played it. And Far Cry 6 coming. I mean, if they're selling the same thing to us, then that's no point of playing that game,
True. Yeah.
Yeah.
because if it's get too much repetitive again and again and again, it just get boring.
Yeah.
So while talking about the games, what is the best game that you want to spend time in, or you have spent time in? Let's say what you have to grind for. ऐसा कौन सा गेम है जो प्रणीत ऐसा कौन सा गेम है?
Like I grinded in so much games. First like Counter Strike, उसमें कुछ ज्यादा ही grind हो गया. But after a point of time, CS frustrating हो जाता है. It's like कि यार क्या हो रहा है, दिमाग खराब हो जाता है. तो उसके वजह से और टॉक्सिसिटी बढ़ जाती है तुम में. ये
Yeah.
मैंने एक नोटिस किया कि जब मैंने गेम छोड़ा, मैं थोड़ा काम हो गया. आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक एक्सप्लोसिव, फट जाता था एकदम अचानक से. ऐसा नहीं चलता, थोड़ा सा
Mm.
काम रहने के लिए. सो आई लेफ्ट द गेम. फिर बाद में मैंने Assassin's Creed के गेम्स में बहुत ग्राइंड किया है. लाइक आई प्लेड एवरी गेम एटलीस्ट 2 to 3 times. ज्यादा नहीं खेले बट उतना ही खेला है.
Yeah.
बट कुछ कुछ गेम्स में उसके ऐसा है कि मीनिंगलेसली ग्राइंड करना पड़ता है, साइड क्वेस्ट करना पड़ता है. विचर में भी
Mm.
वही था जो मुझे पसंद नहीं आया कि या इवन इफ दे हैव अ गुड साइड क्वेस्ट, बट द थिंग इज मुझे अगर मेन स्टोरी में ही खेलना है तो मैं साइड क्वेस्ट क्यों
क्यों
करूँ ना.
करो?
You correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. ग्राइंड
Plus,
करने की बात आए तो लाइक आई गेस मेरे लिए सबसे ज्यादा था कि नीड फॉर स्पीड कार्बन में मैंने किया था बिकॉज आई रियली लाइक मैंने उसका कैरियर 100% 3 बार ही कर चुका था तो या तो एक वो गेम होगी एंड द अदर हैज टू बी लाइक नॉट ग्राइंडिंग एग्जैक्टली बट लर्निंग मोर एंड मोर बिकॉज मैं फ्लाइट सिमुलेटर खेलता हूँ तो भाई लैंडिंग कांट बी परफेक्ट ऑल द टाइम तो यार हमेशा इरिटेशन होती है भाई अभी कुछ गलत किया कभी कुछ गलत किया एक बार एक इंजन से उड़ा रहा हूँ भाई बोइंग को तो या यू नेवर नो तो that's the game that I spent the most time. What about you, Akash?
I guess I spent 3 games in that way. पहला तो NFS Most Wanted था जो हम लोग बात कर चुके हैं, which I
Yeah.
played like 6-7 times, I guess.
Yeah, I
Uh,
have a story on NFS Most
NFS.
Wanted is that जब भी मैं ब्लैकलिस्ट 5 या 4 पे आता था मेरे पीसी में वायरस आ जाता था बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू वायरेट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स एंड मेरे सेव फाइल्स उड़ जाते थे
तो
तो
सेव
Right,
फाइल
ऐसा
में
ही
same.
बैकअप
मैंने
नहीं रखता था
तो पहले समझता नहीं था ना इतना नॉलेज नहीं था तब कि सेव फाइल्स भी
हम्म,
होती है अब वो बाद में समझा कि सेव फाइल्स होती है तो
हम्म।
मैंने वो गेम ऑलमोस्ट 8 to 9 टाइम्स कंप्लीट किया है जिसका मैप मुझे अभी भी याद है
True.
जिसका मैप
उससे
Same.
मेरे को एक और गेम याद आई विच हैव लाइक मेरे को इसलिए ग्राइंड मतलब मैंने इसको इसलिए इतने ज्यादा खेला बिकॉज दैट वाज द गेम लाइक द बेस्ट ग्राफिक्स गेम दैट माय लैपटॉप कुड हैंडल ड्यूरिंग द टाइम so that would have to be Driver San Francisco. It had a completely like different kind of. It was like a game that you are playing in second person. That was the first second person game in the world. That's the only second person game in the world right now because you are in the mind like you are comatose, but in your mind you are controlling another world like in a dream world and you can be anyone
Okay.
in the whole open world of San Francisco.
सो लेट्स गेट
So
बैक
it's
टू
really
आकाश नाउ
interesting. Yeah.
So the second game I played that much was Total Overdose because I just liked how funny that game was. It's not
Hmm.
about the graphics and not about the story, but the game's funny side was really great. The
यार
Yeah.
dialogues,
द गेम हैड अ गुड स्टोरी एक्चुअली
yeah, it had a cringe content. Like when
या
you barge in on a villain, he's like, everybody be cool. This is a party or this is a drug case or something. So that way you started it. And the third one I played more was Modern Warfare 2.
Yeah.
Oh, that I don't know why, but I used to like it. I played it 3-4 times. Like it was a smaller game rather than what COD was. It
Mhm.
got completed in about 3 days, maybe 3 days of just spending time of 2 hours, 3 hours maybe.
Yeah.
And that those were the best games that I played over and over again.
That's it for today, guys. See you in the next episode.